Here's another little 40mm master lock. I've actually got the key for this, but I left it at home. And also I might actually someday use this lock to secure something. A lesson for you: never show your keys online, because from a picture of a key someone can make one. If you didn't know that, now you do. I was really glad to get this lock because my old one was so much fun to pick. I wanted to get another one. I'll go ahead and switch to a DeForest pick. Something seems stuck in this one. Strange. Also, for those of you who, like me, have decided to start trying to film yourselves, everything you do the first, well, at least I'm assuming it's only the first, will take much longer because you're scared. Open. Happy.